Hello and good afternoon. It's been a long time. It's been 2 weeks. Unfortunately, I got sick and it was very bad time for me. So I took just a long break, like 2 weeks, and I'm back. And during these 2 weeks, actually, I was looking at my first 2 weeks of trading live, and actually find out that for me, because I'm trading big account for so long, it was so hard to keep up with the like tightness of 5,000. So I got a brand new 10,000 funded, and let's try to trade it well. I miss my friends who used to come here and watch the live every day, and hopefully we'll catch up again. So we have 3 minutes for the New York's Open, and let's just have a look on the previous week, and let's see if we can find an idea to trade. Okay, so let's go like 4-hour chart. Actually, last week was bullish from the 18th. Went up, take a little break, and up again. So let's see what we can do today. Look, nice pattern, like it's a kind of reversal. Hopefully we will touch up again back to 24,400, 17, 30, something like that. So don't know the breakout from this level, how long it might go. 80 points, 70 points, which is good. So let's just break it down to the 5 minutes, and let's see. Actually, the market on Friday closed at let's say 24,272. It opens the gap up, try to retrace, I think just fill the gap. Then now it's trading above closing of Friday, and actually before the London Open we can see some really good push up, but did not manage to get above like the Asian session. So maybe at the Open we can see a little pullback, then we might go long. Actually I decided not to trade much because my previous week's lives was a little bit long, and that makes me feel a little bit bored, and sometimes I started to take some nonsense trades. So for us, every live right now will be just to make money, to answer any of your questions. If you have any questions or anything, then we will call it immediately. So stay around and let's start. Okay, we have 1 minute or 3 seconds actually for the market to open. I think let's wait. We'll see the first few seconds how price will move. We start to touch on to the closing of Friday. Now it's reversing back, so see. Just want to see how much my risk will be in case I jump in right now. It's around 40 points to the low of today, which is not too much, but hopefully you can get better entry. Actually, for this last week of the year, I think the we might see some low volatility, but we will try to trade very small, and maybe by January the things will get better, and there will be some holidays, which is Christmas holiday. There is no trade, but let's see, we have enough time to run slowly and steadily. Actually, the opening was not really moving like much. Let's go to the 5-minute. Hopefully I can find some entry. Okay, thinking to go long right now. Thank you. Give me a chance to build in better price. I'm in. Let me say my take profit. Let's see, we will bet on this breakout, maybe support level. Yeah, that will be a good target. Go back and just place my stop loss actually anywhere, because I have my own stop loss on place, which is decided by DC trade. And let's give it time to play. I might add if I see some strength in here. I open already only one contract for now, and I will just try to see how it's strength go into this high of today and Friday. Let's be relaxed and see. I think my risk-reward ratio is like just 1-to-1, but doesn't matter for the risk-reward ratio actually. Depend on how to manage your positions during the trade, and how to cut your losses as soon as you understand that you are on the wrong side of the trade. Hopefully we can find some quick push, so the session will be not that long. And I wish maybe this move will continue. It was like 64-point move from pre-opening, maybe another 64. Let's see, from the breakout here, we'll be exactly at our take profit. Actually, I was looking at the gold today, silver, Bitcoin, everything is roaring. Hopefully it will give some good sentiment for the indices as well to get a little bit higher. As we can see, last week was very positive. Hopefully we are approaching actually the all-time high. We are just, I think, around 150 points the all-time high, which is small compared to the movement of the DAX. So let's see. Actually, we have few seconds for the first 5 minutes to close. I think I will just move my stop loss a bit higher. Let it play. I'm not sure if I will add to the winners, because as we said, it's the last week of the year. It might be just some people like getting in and out, or maybe some positions closing, taking profits, so they can go for vacation or the holiday, and they don't want to be caught in the wrong trade with big size. and it's Monday, and I was away for 2 weeks. So let me first today see how the market is reacting, it's behaving. Then we can start getting aggressive with the time. But for now, let's just trade slow. And actually, for this trade, I made some changes on it, because I'm normally trading not only one session a day, I'm trading 2 sessions, and I want each session to have its own characteristic and risk management. So right now I have another option of reset midday, like before the opening of New York. So my profit, losses, everything from the London session will be reset. Then I will start fresh again for New York. This is actually the rules that I implemented on the DC Trade Expert Advisor, but I might have some different management of that. But right now it's only trial. It's my first day actually running it. I'm not sure if it's working properly or not, so it's kind of testing it at the same time. And let's just see. If it's working well, then I will just lock it out and just trade for like a week and check my results. If there is any improvement to do, any changes on the risk management. So maybe by the weekend I will just try to look at all my trades for this week, and I might modify, like make it triggered in small risk management amounts, or it depends on how the result of this week will be. So just see. Actually, the Friday closing was very positive. Market rally is like 174 points before the closing, or let's see on New York session as well. From the London session, it was a good move. Yeah, 180 points. So hopefully this session also will be positive. So let's watch and see. Okay, so we are approaching the second 5-minute closing. Hopefully we can see some more buyers coming in, so they can push the price above this and make some good breakout. So let's see. I'm not sure if you can listen some music. We have some like Christmas party nearby. I hope it doesn't disturb your sound and okay, almost 9 minutes. You can see that there is a little stop above the high of today. Exactly like bounce back from the high of today. Give it a time. The breakout from this level will be good. Maybe we can visit some previous week high or something. Hey mate, how are you? I really miss you guys. I was not really feeling well. I was feeling very bad for the first week, and the second week I was a little bit okay, but I just decided to like take a break and come back this Monday. Yeah man, I think some weather change actually screwed me. I got very ill, and you can feel it. Until now, my lungs, my breathing is still not really 100%, but I survived. How are you doing? How is everything going with you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, let me try just to add half contract, maybe if the price revisited the high here. That's a good move for the second 10 minutes, or the third 5 minutes. Oh, nice to hear that you are doing well, bro. It was really boring 2 weeks. I was not really feeling better, and I just decided to take a long break. So it's almost 2 weeks. But I'm recovering well. I'm feeling better, and I'm back. I was expecting you really when I when I joined the live. I said we'll just wait. Maybe for sure my friends will show up. Thank you, and kind of you to show up today. How was your trading weeks? This 2 weeks I wasn't here. How was it? Hope you had some good runs. Actually, I did not really look at the market. How was it doing? I just rest and just spend some time with some friends and family and trying to recover. Oh no! Hopefully you did not blow up. Sticking to the rules is very important rule in the game. But hopefully it wasn't that bad to hurt your capital or... Actually, for me, last weeks, I was trading live. I was not implementing the DC trade, let's say, the risk enforcement. But right now it's already in the server, and actually I link it to this account, and let's see. And you might see if in case triggered. Actually, I had some measurements to follow there. Then in case it was triggered, I will show you how did it work, and all the details about the thing, so you can have it like lifetime, what do we call that, lifetime execution. Okay, we are going to the end of the first 15 minutes. Thinking to move my stop here. I will give it enough time. Thinking first 15 minutes was really good. Hopefully you can see some follow-up. See the price approaching the high of Friday and just stuck there for almost 10 minutes right now. Yeah, bro, I just ignore it. I was talking at the start of this live. For me, because I used to trade bigger account, I find it really so hard to keep up with this really tight risk management, and it will take me so long to adjust. And if I adjust again, I need to adjust on-site trade my own account. So I try to increase to 10,000, and it's not big difference because normally I trade like 20 to 25,000. So 10,000, I can still manage it. I can still be okay with me. Then let's see. And everything actually will be live. And after this break, actually, I went through all the trades of this previous 2 weeks I was live. And I was treating that 5,000 actually the wrong way, because normally the risk management for 5,000 should be tighter than what I was doing. But because mentally for me it was like small account, and my risk was higher than it should be, which is not good for all the traders. Like for the traders who are trading only 5,000, the risk should be much smaller than what I was doing. That's why I tried to increase to 10K, and I will just continue with it. And that's the answer. Okay, I can see some push. Hopefully there will be 5-minute closing above this level. I can add maybe just half contract. Right now we can be comfortable to move the stop loss to break even, and hopefully there will be a push, then closing above Friday high. If there is any small pullback, I will add, and let's see. Guys, I'm thinking if we can open some like Telegram channel, or what they call it, group, so we can chit chat there direct, and if there is any updates or whatever. Like last time I was out and I have no way to communicate that I'm not feeling well and I will be away for 2 weeks. So maybe I will try to just open small, like just Telegram group, so we can discuss there, maybe share ideas or whatever. Okay, so I can see a little bit of pullback inside the Friday high. Let's give it small position in again. So right now I have 30 seconds for the price to go above and continue. The price really fails to stay up, and I see some push to the downside. Means breakout from the Friday high was failed, and I think the idea is invalid. Okay, a minute is over. Closing was still below, but let's see if the buyers can push above and run for another maybe 20 points. That's not much. Let's move the stop loss from this, yeah, small amount. Make it a little bit bigger, so if you are watching from the phone you can see it well, you can see the prices and stuff. Let's have a look at my take profit. Actually, it's located in nice price, not nonsense price. Actually, we might see some because here, this zone, it has like a range that sometimes try to suck the price in. There was some good volume, and let's see. Hopefully this will just spike with our take profit, so we can call it a day. And we will see you again in London station. Actually, I did not like this stop here at the high of Friday. I wish it was like nice push to the upside, but there was like 5 minute, 2 times the rejection. So I think this 5 minute will be make or break point. We are still sitting on profit. Actually, it's not a problem. If breakout fails for another 5 minutes, then we might see some push to the downside again. Maybe the sellers will try. The volume also is shrinking, so we really should see some interest in this level. Or if the traders is already went for Christmas, then I think from now until the end of the month, the price will just be stagnant, no movement. But whatever, let it do whatever. Yeah, hopefully this is the time of nice breakout. Hopefully we can see some big candle that will close above this previous 2 pipes. That's beautiful push. I just don't want the price to go back, for example, for this 5 minute and close inside these 2 previous bars, or there was like a break for 10 minutes. So hopefully there will be more buyers coming in and just keep going up. Actually, this trend looks so healthy. Hopefully it will continue to our profit. With a really good rally, pull back, another rally, a pull back. Then let's see, hopefully we can have another push to maybe this high. Actually my take profit is around 24,365 or 60. Let's go back to the 5 minute. I can see some spike in the price, so that signals either breakout continuation or some big orders are coming, selling orders. So we have 1 minute to tell you exactly what was that spikes. Actually, it's good to see like all the lows are high. From the opening, there was just one little pullback and 3 or 4 higher highs. And higher lows as well in the 5-minute chart. So means that there is a little bit of buying pressure. This feels good. Second 30 minutes after the open. We are trading at 24,350. As we said, there was a little bit of spike in the volume in the previous candle. So hopefully that will be a good push and some buyer interest coming to the market. That's to trigger our TP, and we'll see you in New York session. So close to our take profit. I just move my stop loss like halfway. I really don't want to see the rejection right now. So if this candle turn red, it's not a good signal, except if the buyers come immediately and push it higher. Feel like we are giving back our profit to the market. So we are approaching really very important level. So hopefully we can see pushing this last like second 30 minutes. This is a push just to get our TP and can get out of this position. So it looks like inverted head and shoulders, but at the end it's still looking at a highs that was not broken for so long. And price keeps on bouncing back from the same level since I think June, whatever, whatever. We're so close to our TP, and now weakness start to show. Price is back into the range. Let's wait if there is any small, let's say, a test for this level. Then I can get out with 2 position in profit. This red candle here is a bad signal, but it might be fake. Price will absorb some sellers with this candle and you will buy on them. So Hopefully this 5 minutes will close inside this week. We have 2 minutes and a half to go. If the price failed to close above the body of this red candle, so this green should close above here. If it fails, I will get out. Right now we have 2 minutes. It's actually beautiful green if it closes like this. We have 1 more minute and 10 seconds. So in the last 1 minute, actually, I need to see a push, so they will try to close this 5 minute positively, but it looks right now negative. Except if we see just another push the last 1 minute. We have 30 seconds. I wish this one will close green. That will give like confirmation of the continuation. So we have 10 seconds. Please close green. Good green, not a star. Okay. I really need some push above this week here. See, looks good. If this 5 minute managed to stay here at least for 2-3 minutes, I will get out. If it stays here up, I will keep these positions. So now it's depend if this 5 minutes will manage to stay above, or it will just go down and show weakness. It will be a signal of a range. So maybe today the price will just keep trading inside the range, and maybe we can see some trend by tomorrow or after tomorrow. But, give us another chance. It's 15 minutes is trying to push back into the range. So that's a big message. keeps on pushing lower. It's okay. Let's give it a time a little bit and just monitor. This one away from the noise. I will just close the positions manually in case I see that price is not doing any good. Everything is doing good these days. See, like already at the end of the year. I just want to have a look on FTSE. See how it is doing. Not that good. Overall, yeah, it's somehow uptrend. But I'm talking just about today, it's negative. Let's go back to the DAX. Another 5 minutes over. The best signal to see is closing above 24,341. Any closing above this, that will confirm our take profit for sure. If we see that price keeps on bouncing back from 341, then that's a signal of like failed breakout. So we are at the last 15 minutes. So hopefully it will just revisit somewhere up here, and so we can reach out with some profit. Because any, like, if the price stays inside the range, then I think it will just continue today, and the breakout might happen in the London session. So, and our idea will be missed because we're almost into the take profit. I think 8 points to take profit, but we did not. Now we are giving back big chunk of the profit to the market. It might be retracement, but it's okay. Our risk is very limited and we are still seated on profit, so let's take it easy. 1 hour. Huge green candle followed by thick red candle. And we are already like 1 hour into this live. So I actually entered after the first push down from the opening. We took like really nice move, around 60 points, but did not touch our take profit. I added here. I thought this breakout will be a continuation, but I added half size. So right now price is trying to go back to the range. So we have few more minutes. Hopefully we can see last pull back above. If it stays above, that will be good signal for continuation. If the price push down again, I think I will exit this position. We have 3 seconds to go. And I feel like few buyers are coming in. They are the one who push actually the price from here. Actually, because I was late today, I did not look at the news. There is any high impact news. From Europe, from Germany. Just to avoid, actually, I'm not interested into what's going on with the news. It's just to stay away from trading some high impact news. Actually, I couldn't say anything for today. Price tried to push 4 times. It keeps on pushing back up. So hopefully this will be the last push and we can see some buyers coming in. Our profit is shrinking. We were up like $80. Now we are back to 6. She's very ugly. And normally for like day trader, you should not give back this much. I just don't want to get out of my positions before the take profit, because it's not actually a wrong take profit. It's a really nice spot. But I don't know, the price just was rejected and goes back to the range. last 8 minutes of this 1 hour. And actually these 5 minutes with tails and they are all closing negative is not a good signal. But actually there is still chance that this is only some kind of pullback. Whatever. This 5 minutes actually was very negative, with no even try to push above the previous candle closing. And we have only 15 seconds left for the closing of this. So let's see if there will be some buyers coming in here. At least we can get half of our profit, which is the highest profit we got, in case the price pushes a little bit higher. This is the last 5 minutes of the 1 hour. I'm not sure if it's a mistake. I did not take profit above here, but how would I know that it was not continuing up? And now we are underwater. Only 3 minutes for the 1 hour to finish, and we almost give up all the move from the first 1 hour. Maybe we just try to get out break even. This looks so weak. Price went all the way up and they just went back and closed inside. So that will attract a lot of sailors at the close of this hour. So I'm thinking just to close these two positions, break even. And I'm not sure I can trade. I'm feeling tired already. So just wait for this last few, maybe 1 minute and a half. Music is over. Try to play again. Some background music. So it's covering the background sound and noise from the school Christmas party. See here, there is a little push the last 1 minute. Yeah, a few more seconds for the closing. Just be stand by in case I see some aggressive movement to the downside. That's a nice push. Hopefully it will continue. It went almost to our stop loss. 5 minutes. It's really hard to trade this holiday season. A lot of weeks. Let's keep some pushing all sides and just getting rejected. So tricky. Actually, all this was showing a little bit of resistance while going, well, price going down. You can see this rejection at the end of every 5 minutes. So hopefully these buyers will load more and maybe take the price higher. But if they give up, then the move will be sharp down. Yeah, they say, let's get out of this position. I don't want to say rejection again. Hopefully there will be follow-up, top side. Did not happen. We have only 30 seconds for this 5 minutes to close. More second, 2 seconds. Let's see, push high. Actually, the price movement looks weak. Maybe this session will be a break-even session, up from $80 profit, which is like 20% of target or whatever. Just take it easy. Just the first day of the week. I think this will just stop me out. That's what we say. Second one was not triggered. I mean, the first position was it's still there. I don't think for so long. Yeah, there is a weakness. If we just close it manually. And after I close it, price will skyrocket. Oh, to my big profit. Take this. Then we close it manually. It's huge swings. Move like 70 points to the upside, another 60 points to the down. No direction. Actually, our entry for the first entry was so good, but we really left a lot of cash on the table. Yeah, it went direct to my stop. It's okay. It's a small loss from big profit. So this is the lesson of today. After absence from the market for a few days, so now I know. We'll see you in the New York session. I will have some rest for now. And thank you for being here, and take care. See you in the evening.